Welcome to Talend Open Studio for data integration. In this tutorial, we are still working with the processing component family. Underneath, fields is a subcategory, and we will be working on tNormalize component. So let's take the input data. We have the items file, and we have two columns, region and item. So the west, central and east are the regions, and these are the items associated with each of those regions. So how to normalize this particular data? So instead of having all these items in one single row, the tNormalize will separate them based on the delimiter. For the items, the delimiter is comma. So based on this delimiter, it will going to split each of these items into separate records. Let's go ahead and import the t item data, and then let's drag and drop the tNormalize component. Let's take the tlog row, link the item data to tNormalize, open the component settings. So here we will get the column that needs to be normalized. So in our example, item is the column that needs to be normalized. And what is the delimiter here? Item separator is comma. So the item separator is comma. So we have selected comma. Let's go to the settings, and let's see the different options available. Get rid of the duplicate rows from the output. We will select this option in the next run, and we'll see how this option will impact our output. Discard the strings if at all we need, then trim resulting values. So we are going to connect it to the tlog row, run the job. There you go. So now the items have been normalized. All the items have been normalized as discussed. Each item has been created as a separate record. So if you observe, we have duplicate records. The west region has two pencils. So how to get rid of this particular duplicate records? So if we go to the advanced settings again, here is the option, get rid of the duplicate rows from the output. So what it does is, it will get rid of these two duplicates and it will keep only one record. Similarly, if it has any of such records, it will remove those records. So let's go ahead and rerun the job. The number of records has been reduced. That is because all the duplicate records has been removed from the output. So that's pretty much it for the tNormalize component. Whenever we need to do a string tokenizing, this concept is also called as string tokenizing or normalizing. So whenever we have such scenario, we can go ahead and we can use this particular component. That's pretty much it for this video. You all have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.